Perpendicular bisect of RS equal y equal minus 3x plus 5. We found out in the previous video, and now we want to find the perpendicular bisect of ST, which I'll take this is L2. So S and T coordinates are 4, 3 and 4, 3s, and T is 10 minus 5. So midpoint point of ST equal 4 plus 10 divided by 2, 3 plus minus 10 divided by 2. So this is going to be 7 minus 1. 3 plus minus 5. So this is going to be minus 1. And gradient of ST equal y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Minus 4 over 3. Then MST times ML2 equal minus 1, as L2 and ST are perpendicular. Then MST is minus 4 over 3, ML2 equal minus 1, ML2 equal 3 over 4. Now we found out this point is 7 minus 1, and this gradient is 3 over 4. Then y minus y1. Y minus minus 1 equal m times 3 over 4 times x minus 7. Y plus 1 equal 3 over 4x times 21 over 4. Then y equal 3 over 4x, 21 over 4 minus 4 over 4. It means y equal 3 over 4x minus 25 over 4. Now we have the two equations. Now perpendicular bisect of ST is y equal 3 over 4x minus 25 over 4. Now you have to solve this equation. Minus 3x plus 5 equal 3 over 4x minus 25 over 4. Then 25 over 4 plus 5 equal 3 over 4x plus 3x plus 1. 25, 20 over 4. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. 3x plus 12x over 4. 45 equal 15x. So we have to divide by 5. X equal 9. Sorry, 15x 45. Then 45 divided by 15 means 3. So x value is 3. Then from I'll go to this one. From 1, y equal minus 3 times 3 plus 5 minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. Center is going to be minus 3 minus 4. center of circle is 3 minus 4. Now we want to find the 3 minus 4. We can write the equation x minus 3 square plus y minus minus 4 square equal r square. X minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square equal r square. Now I want to find r. So I have the center. Then I will take another point, S point on the circumference 4, 3. Then I'll take this is P point. Then R equal 3 minus 4 square plus 4 minus 3 square the square root. So this is 7 square plus 1 square square root. So this is going to be square root 50. So r square mean it is 50. Then this is going to be equal to 50. X minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square equal 50. Question number 6. Show that ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. So what is your plan? You have two options. We can go through Pythagoras, or we can compare gradient MAB, MBC, MAC, and we multiply and see which one give minus 1. So that is the plan for A. B. Find the equation of the find the equation of the circle of triangle ABC. So it means now if this is ABC on the circle, then we need to find the equation of the circle. In other way, now we need to find the equation of the circle. For that, we should know the diameter, either AB or AC or BC is a diameter. So when we have the diameter, we can find the center. Then that is going to be the center. Then we have a point and we can find the radius r. So that is the plan for B. C. Hence or ABCD lies on the now. ABCD lies, so that lies on the circumference. ABCD lies on the circumference. Already ABC is on the circumference. We want to show D is on the circumference. We can show that by substituting D point to the circle equation. And we check the equation is satisfied. So this is the plan for the sum. Either Pythagoras or taking the gradients, we will find the minus 1. When you multiply by 2 gradient, if we get minus 1, then there is a 90 degrees in between the two lines, and it is a right angle triangle. Then when the right angle, one of this will be diameter. then we can find the mid center. It is the midpoint of the diameter. Then we can find R as well. Then ABC is on the circle. We'll substitute D and show it is satisfy the equation for C. So we'll work on now. I'm going to use the gradient, checking for gradient. MAB equal 15 minus 3, 3 minus 13. This is 12, and this is going to be 16. This is 3 over 4. MBC. 3 minus 5 minus 13 minus 7. Y1 minus Y2, X1 minus divided 3 plus 5 over minus 13 plus 7. So 8 over minus 6. This is 4 over 3. Right, we already found out when you multiply those two together, you will get minus 1. I don't need to find AC. Now AC will be the diameter. Can you see which one has the 90 degrees angle? B. The common one is B. So MAB times MBC is 3 over 4 times minus over 3 times minus 1. Hence, AB perpendicular to BC. Hence, AC. Hence, ABC is a right angle triangle. Now part B. Now we know AB is perpendicular to BC. And ABC on the circle. Hence, AC is a diameter. Hence, center is at the midpoint of diameter. So, E is 315, B is minus 13, 3, so midpoint. I will take P. So P is x1 divided plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is going to be 10 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2. What is the answer? 5 and 9. I had to rework this. I took the wrong. So P is 3 plus minus 7 divided by 2. Y is 15 plus minus 5 divided by 2. This is going to be minus 2, and this is going to be 5. Now equation of circle is x minus 2 square plus y minus 5 square equal r square. X plus 2 square plus y minus 5 square equal r square. Now what is r? R is, so we have Center, we know this one. I'll pick up the good point that is all same. So I'll stay with this one. Minus 7, minus 5. And I know this point, which is minus 2, 5. Now I can find the radius. R equal x1 minus x2. Find the distance x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square root. So this is going to be minus 2 plus 7 square plus 5 plus 5 square root. So this is going to be 5 square plus 10 square root. This is going to be 25 plus 100, going to be 125 square root. So this is R. So R square equal to square root 125. R square equal 125. So equation of the circle is x plus 2 plus y minus square equal R square, which is 125. I will rewrite here. X plus 2 square plus y minus 5 square equal 125. Now part C. Hence ABCD are all lies on the circumference. Already we know that ABC on the circumference, and the equation of this one is x plus 2 square plus y minus 5 square equal 125. Now I want to check D is on the circle. So let's check. If D is on the circle, it should satisfy the equation. We'll check. LHS. X value is 8. 8 plus 2 square. And y means 0. 0 minus 5 square. 10 square plus y square, 125. RHS is 125. Hence LHS equal right hand side. Hence 80 is on the circle. Hence ABCD is on the circle. Question number 7. First of all, question A is ABCD is square. First of all, we'll show AB, BC, CD, DA. They have same distance. Then it's going to be a rhombus or a square. Then we'll work out the gradient of. Then we'll work out the gradient of 2 and gradient, and we multiply and show it is minus 1. Then it is going to be 90 degrees. Then it's not a rhombus anymore. It has to be a square. Part A, that is the plan. Part B, find the area. Then this two distance multiply, then we get the area. That is also possible. Find the center of the circle. So then now they all 90 degrees. Then when you merge any two, this has become a diameter and the midpoint, or this one and a diagonal. Basically, diagonal crosses at midpoint. What we need to do, we want to find the midpoint. If we know those, since we know those 2 points, we can find the midpoint. And also we know the now center. Then we can find the radius r. First of all, we find ABCD DA. We show that length are equal, then it can be a rhombus or square. Then we show that two sides are perpendicular. Then it's only become a square. We can find the area. Then since those are 90 degrees, this diagonal become a diameter. So midpoint is going to be the center. This is the plan. So you can work on this one now. Distance of AB mean x1 minus x2 x square plus y1 minus y2 square root minus 7 square 49. This is going to be minus 1 plus 1 square root 50. D AC x1 minus x2 minus 1 minus 7 square y1 minus 2. This is going to be minus 8 square 64. This is going to be 6 square 36. Actually, we are looking for the diagonal. If we find AC, so we don't need AC. We want AB, BC, CD, DA, then DBC. This one. 6 minus 7 square, 10 minus 3 square, the square root. This is 6 minus 7, 1 minus 1 square 1, 10 minus 7, 7 square 49, the square root 50. Then AB, BC, now CD. DCD equal 7 minus 0 plus 3 minus 2, the square root. So this is 49 and this is plus 1, the square root 50. Then DA. Distance of DA. So this is going to be minus 1, 0 square plus 9 minus 2 square, which is 1, and this is 49, and this is square root 50. Now sides are equal. Then we have a conclusion that either ABCD is a rhombus or a square. Now we want to show that AB one angle is 90 degrees anywhere. So I'll get AB and BC. Gradient of AB is y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. 9 minus 10 minus 1. This is minus 7, 1 over 7. MBC, ABBC, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2, 7 over minus 1. Now MAB times MBC. This is minus 7 equal 1 over times minus 7 equal minus 7. Hence AB is perpendicular to BC. Hence ABCD is a square. Question number 8. Now in here you can see that BDF. We want to question number 1 is find B. This is B. So we know that this one and this one perpendicular. Then MBD times MBF has to be minus 1. Then we can find the gradient, part B. Not the gradient, the coordinate. And then part B is we want to find the circle. If this is 90 degrees, we know this will become a diameter. Then middle, the diameter is going to be a center. We know now center. And from here to here, we know the radius as well. Then we can find the circle, equation of the circle. So we'll work on now. Gradient of BD equal B minus 3 divided by minus 10 minus 12, which is B minus 3 minus 10 plus 12 is 2. MBF equal B minus 5 over minus 10 minus 2. It means B plus 5 over minus 12. Now BD is perpendicular to BF. Hence MBD times MBF has to be 1. Gradient has to be 1. So B minus 3 over 2 and B plus 5 over minus 12 equal minus 1. B minus 3 times B plus 5 equal 24. Now we'll expand this one. B square minus plus 2B minus 15 equal 24. B square 2B minus 39 equals 0. This is minus 3. Minus 12 minus 3. Then BD is going to be B plus 3. B minus 3. B minus 3. B plus 3. Now this is going to be plus 15. Then plus 15 minus 24 equals 0. Then B square plus 2B. So this is going to be 8B plus 9 minus 9 equals 0. So B square plus 8b minus 9 equals 0, b plus 9, b minus 1 equals 0. Hence b plus 9 equals 0 or b minus 1 equals 0, b equal minus 9 or b equal 1. But b greater than 0 given. Hence b equal 1. So that is the answer. Now find the equation of C. Now this is 90 degrees. What is this one? The midpoint. Midpoint is going to be the center. Midpoint of DF is minus 12 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 3 plus minus 5 divided by 2. So this is going to be minus 10 divided by 2 minus 5 minus 8 divided by 2 minus 4. Now the center is x minus minus 5, center is minus 4, circle is y minus minus 4 square equal r square. X plus y square plus y plus 4 square is r square. Now we need to find r. R is this distance and this is minus 5 minus 4. Then r equal y1 minus y2. So x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 square root minus 3 plus 4 going to be 1 square also 1. This is going to be square root 50. So r is the square root 50. R square is 50. So this is equal to be 50. I think I missed 7b. Find the area of ABCD. Area of ABCD is length times height. So square root 50 times square root 50 we found out it's going to be 50. Part C, find the center of the circle. Now A, B, C, D. AC is a diagonal, so midpoint of diagonal is going to be the center. So midpoint of AC, midpoint of AC is E is minus 1, 9 and C is going to be 7, 3. So minus 1 plus 7 over 2 and 9 plus 3 over 2, which is going to be 6 over 2, 12 over 2, which is going to be 3, 6. So center of the circle is 3, 6. Question number 9, we need to find the radius and the center. So 2f, this is equal to f equal 1, 2g equal minus 24, then g equal minus 12, center is minus f and minus g. It means minus 1 and 12. The radius is r equal f square plus g square minus c. F mean 1 square, g square mean minus 12 square minus c is minus 24. The equation is x square plus y square plus 2fx plus 2gx plus c equal 0. Now c is minus 24 minus 24. So this is 144 plus 24. So this is going to be 169. So r square equal 13. Sorry. R is square root 13. Plus or minus, but radius can't be negative, hence r is 13. Part B. Now AB, we want to show that this is a diameter. If A is given minus 13, 17, B is given 11, 7. So diameter is 2r, 2 times 13, 26. If we found this AB distance and it is 26, then it is become a diameter. So DAB equal minus 13 minus 11 square plus 17 minus 7 square. This is going to be minus 24 square plus 10 square. Or we can work differently rather than working big calculations. The midpoint of A and B should be minus 112. So midpoint of AB is minus 13 plus 11 divided by 2 and 17 plus divided by 2. So this is going to be 2 over 2 minus 2 over 2, and this is going to be 24 over 2, which is minus 112. Hence AB is a diameter. Part C. So we can get this kind of a picture, and I'll take the coordinate. This is A0, it is on the x-axis, and this is 90 degrees, and the equation of the circle is x plus 1 square plus y minus 12 square equal 169. Because right, this is minus 1 and 12. And r we found out 169 the square root, which is 13. Now since A0 on y value is 0 when it's touching the x-axis, since A0 on the circle, we have to substitute A0 on the circle. It should satisfy the equation. Then A plus 1 square plus y minus 0 square equal y value is 0 now, equal x. So a square plus 2a plus 1 plus 144, 169. 169 means a square plus 2a plus 1 equal minus 24 equals 0. A square plus 2a minus 24 equals 0. So x plus 6 and a plus 6 and a minus 4 equals 0. So a equal minus 6 or a equals 4. So since it is in the left side of the negative part of x, so it has to, so the equation of the circle is a has to be minus 6. Then this is going to be minus 6, 0. Coordinate of C is minus 6, 0.